Hi, thank you for clicking this video. If you're taking the time to watch this video has definitely reached its target audience. My name is Colin, I'm a full-time video editor and content strategist. The last 2 months I've made over $10,000, which is life-changing money for a 19-year-old, let alone anyone. In this video, I will give you a 10-step outline to go from absolute beginner to full-time video editor. By following these steps, you'll be able to work from home, set your own hours, work with the clients that you want to, and do so all from the comfort of your own home. Becoming a full-time video editor from a total beginner involves a blend of technical skill, artistic exploration, networking, and business progression. Here's a roadmap that'll guide you through each stage of the journey. Stage 1. Learning the basics of video editing. Start by familiarizing yourself with popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. I see a lot of beginner editors asking, what software should I use? At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Take the time to master one that you think suits you the best. You can do this by exploring online tutorials, courses, and guides to understand the fundamental concepts of editing, such as cutting, trimming, transitions, and audio editing. Practice by regularly editing different types of footage to gain hands-on experience in different genres. This will also come up later when we talk about what to show potential clients. Step 2. You want to develop your technical skills. By this, I mean dive deeper into advanced editing techniques like color grading, motion graphics, and visual effects. A lot of editors want to rush into the complex animations, but it's very important to first master the fundamentals. You'll thank me later. Experiment with different editing styles and genres to broaden your skill set. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in the industry through online forums, YouTube videos, and workshops. Step 3 is building a portfolio. This part's very important, so make sure you take some notes here. What you want to do here is create a portfolio showcasing your best work. Include a variety of projects to demonstrate your versatility and proficiency. Start with personal projects, test edits, or collaborations with friends to build up your portfolio. Seek feedback from other editors and even creators. Next is networking and collaboration. Join online communities, forums, and social media groups related to video editing to network with like-minded individuals and learn from each other. Don't be afraid to ask other editors in the community for questions and guidance. A lot of us are really friendly and would love to help you out. Just make sure not to be annoying about it. By doing all of this, you may find yourself freelancing and doing some part-time work. This is a great step in the process because it allows you to take on part-time editing gigs to gain real-world experience and build your reputation as a video editor as well. I always recommend using Twitter for outreach to find clients and projects. However, other alternatives include Upwork and Fiverr, but I'd stick to Twitter just because it's the easiest website to get a response on and actually has the highest response rate out of all social media platforms, so keep that in mind. Furthermore, you're going to always want to deliver high quality work on time and exceed client expectations to establish a positive reputation and secure repeat business. As a video editor, the last thing you want is to be hopping from gig to gig. If you over deliver for your clients, they're going to want to keep you around and thus give you consistent work that is likely going to pay well and increase over time. Number 6 is also very important, and that is branding yourself. Create a professional portfolio site and social media profile to showcase your portfolio and attract potential clients. A lot of you probably know who I am as I've established my authority in the editing space, and all of this was done through personal branding over on Twitter, which I'll be diving deeper into in future videos. Develop a unique brand that reflects your style, personality, and expertise as a video editor. Make sure you're always providing value, but showing that you're human too. That's really important and will help you stand out from the crowd. Next, you're going to want to consistently update your online presence with new work, testimonials, and client reviews to maintain visibility and credibility. The next step is continuous learning and growth. Stay curious and committed to lifelong learning by exploring new techniques, software updates, and industry trends. I preach this all the time, but invest in advanced courses, certifications, or workshops to hone your skills and stay competitive in your field. Investing in yourself may seem scary. I was there at one point myself. However, once I began doing that and learning from others ahead of me in their careers, that's when everything changed for me and I started scaling like never before. So I highly recommend investing in yourself. Hey, now it's time for a segue. If you're interested in investing in yourself but not sure exactly where to go, check the description of this video. There you can find my one-to-one business acceleration coaching for editors and creative business owners. Anyways, on to the next tip. Number 8 is transitioning to full-time. Once you've established a solid client base and steady income from freelance or part-time work, consider transitioning to full-time editing. Evaluate your financial stability, market demand, and career goals before making this leap. It's also very important to create a business plan for your services, a pricing structure, and marketing strategies to sustain your full-time editing career. You never want to jump into a full-time career without having a full plan or backup plan. Once you're at this stage, managing finances and workflow is what's important. Set clear financial goals and budgets to manage your income, expenses, and taxes effectively. Things I've also learned to do is investing in productivity tools, project management software, and backup systems to streamline your workflow and ensure timely project delivery. Develop strong communication and negotiation skills to handle client interactions, contracts, and payments professionally. This one is super important and will make your clients feel at ease when they're working with you. And finally, step number 10, learn to be adaptable and resilient. By this, I mean adapt to changes in technology like AI, cloud client preferences and industry standards by staying open-minded and always learning. Embrace challenges and setbacks as new opportunities for growth and learning. As stressful as it may be sometimes, really take a deep breath and look at what you're gaining from each stressful experience. Another important thing is staying resilient and persistent in your pursuing of your video editing career, even during periods of uncertainty or burnout. I promise it'll be worth it in the long run. Transitioning from a total beginner to full-time video editor requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to continually learn, invest, and evolve. By following these steps and remaining committed to your craft, you can turn your passion for video editing into a rewarding and sustainable career. Like I said earlier, if you're interested in being coached by me one-to-one, please book a call in my Twitter bio. The link will be in the description. And until next time, stay safe, drink some water, and good luck grinding.